Welcome to the online computer class. Before we begin, let us observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside and also pray for everyone's well being. Open your eyes, children. Let's get started. As you know, children, we are doing lesson 8, features of file management. Learning in this chapter, we have learned creating a file, creating a folder, copying a file or folder, renaming file or folder, moving file or folder, deleting a file or folder. Today we are going to learn. And we also learn how to restore a file or folder. Work ethics. Even we will learn what are the work ethics we have to follow. Shortcut keys. Even children, we have learned about few shortcut keys also. The shortcut key to recreate a new file is Ctrl plus N. To delete the file or folders permanently is Shift plus Delete. Here del is the short form of delete key. Now the shortcut to rename a file or folder is F2. To save the file is Ctrl plus S. Work ethics. While working in computer lab, we should follow certain ethics. We should not open the file and folders created by our classmate without seeking their permission. We should avoid copying other works and projecting it's our own. It's a criminal offense. We should not tamper with other files or folders and changing their content, location, or renaming them. Thanks, children. Now we'll see how we can delete and restore the files. So let's get started. So children, here there are some files and folders on my desktop. Now some if you have made any file and folder and you realize later on you realize that this file or folder is not required to you, so you can easily delete it. So how can you delete it? Simply you click on the file. Suppose this is my file and now this is my video file. I want to delete it, so simply I'll right click my mouse button, then I will get this shortcut menu and then I click on the delete option. So this way I will get this menu and it will ask me, this pop-up window will come and it asks me, are you sure you want to move this file to recycle bin? Then if you are confirmed, then you say yes. So this way you can delete as many files or folders of or from your computer which is not required. So just now I have deleted this file. Now suppose I want to delete some folder. So just simply same way I click on it and then I'll get this shortcut menu. I'll press the delete key and it will ask me, are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? So I'll say yes. Okay, so this way you can delete your files. Later on, I realized that my folder was very important. So how do I get it back? Because it is deleted now. So don't worry. We have another option of recycle bin. So you just click on this icon and then you will see whatever the files you have deleted, they are in your recycle bin. So let me find which file folder just now I have deleted so I can bring it back. So let me see where is my folder gone. So my folder name was Junior. So let me see where it has gone. Okay, I have to find it out. So simply I will check this is my folder. So I can just right click my mouse button and then it will ask me restore, cut, delete or properties. So I will say restore. As soon as I press this option, you will see from where it was deleted from the desktop. You can see the location here. So I'll press the restore and I'll see, you go and check the uh, desktop, you will see your folder has come back on the same location. Same way, if you want to restore any file, you can do it like this. So you can, but if you want to delete any file permanently, so what you can do, or folder permanently, but once you delete the permanently, then that file will not come back again. Suppose let me rename this file first. I'll just rename it. I'll name it as uh, like Agra. Suppose I given this file name Agra. Okay. Now I have a shortcut key Shift. Even I can do it permanently also. So first let me delete and restore, and then I'll delete this file permanently. So I'll just say right click and say delete and say yes. So I'll go and check my recycle bin and find where is the Agra file is there. So let me check where it is. This is here. So just I go and say restore. So you can see my file has come back. But once I press shift plus delete key together, then it will be deleted uh, and and it will not come back. So first I have to click on it. First I have to click on it, then I will press the shift and delete key together from my keyboard, and then it will ask me, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? So I say yes. So this file is deleted. Now you will not find this file here in the recycle bin. So you can see there are no Agra names video file is here. So this way children, you can delete the files permanently, and even I hope all of you clear with how to create folder, rename folder, delete folder and restore the folder and files. So kindly practice. Thank you children.